Hello everyone, in this video we are to solve differential of 12x to the power 5 plus 30x to the power 2, where our f of 4 equals 23, and we have to find f of x as a function. But please don't forget to subscribe, press the notification bell for more videos. Thank you. Now let's get started. Now before we can get this f of x, you have to integrate the whole of this one. So equals our f of x. So now integral of 12x to the power 5 plus 30x to the power 2. You have 12x to the power 6 divides 6 plus 30x to the power 3 divides 3 plus our constant. Now this one cancel this one, so you have f of x equals 2x to the power 6 plus this one cancel this, 10x to the power 3 plus c. So now we have find our f of x with a constant. So now in the question we know our f of 4 equals 23. So f of 4 equals 2 4 to the power 6 plus 10 4 to the power 3 plus c equals 23. So now let's move on. So with this one, I'll write this one is multiplying this one, so I can rewrite this one as our f of 4 equals 2 times 2 to the power 2 all to the power 6 plus, and this 2 I can write it as 2 times 5 times our 4, this 4, so that one to 2 to the power 2 all to the power 3 plus c equals 23. So we have equal this one to be 2 times this one becomes 12, so 2 times 2 to the power 12 plus 2 times this 2 becomes 6, so 2 times 2 to the power 6 times 5 plus c equals 23. So this one becomes 2 to the power 13 plus this one becomes 2 to the power 7 times 5 plus c equals 23. So now let's move on. I can factor 2 to the power 7 out. So 2 to the power 7 out, you have 2 to the power 6 plus 5 bracket closes plus c equals 23. So our 2 to the power 7 becomes 128 equals 2 to the power 6 becomes 64 plus 5. So I'll have 69 plus c equals 23. So this one multiplies this one, I'll have 8832 plus c equals 23. So our c becomes 23 minus 8832. So our c equals negative 8809. So now our f of x is f of x equals 2x to the power 6 plus 10x to the power 3 minus 8809. So this is our final answer for f of x. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, press the notification bell for more videos.